Hi everybody, my name is Mina, and on my channel I talk about things related to personal development and growth. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick along, join, subscribe to this small community that's growing. I work with kids, and I was recently talking to a friend about how silly the content a lot of the kids are consuming on YouTube is. A lot of these kids spend hours watching other kids play with kinetic sand or mess with slime, or they'll watch videos of another kid playing a video game that they're not playing or have never played.
What?
And they can spend hours doing this, and I just can't understand it. And I know my mother probably feels the same way about things that I watched as a kid, felt like it was silly, but I definitely feel like watching kids watch other kids do things that they aren't doing is just mind-boggling. But anyways, I realized that as adults, we actually do the same thing in a way. A lot of adults enjoy consuming content, watching other adults do things that they wish they were doing. We spend time watching vlogs of people traveling, or vlogs of just their day, what they did in a day, what they ate in a day, how they dressed, and so forth. We're consuming this content and getting these dopamine hits as if we're doing it, but in reality we're not. We're sitting there watching them do it. We're not meant to spend our lives watching other people live their lives. We're meant to take action on the things that we desire. And you can create your own real life vlog, and you don't even have to record it unless you want to. Just live your life by making choices that you'll be proud of. If you feel excited when you see somebody else doing something, that's your body letting you know that that's something that you may want to do. That might be something that you want or desire. There may be so many areas of your life that need correcting in order to get to your goals, but start by just working on one area. Make one small change. Changes are necessary to see growth and movement in your life. Anytime you want to see growth, it's going to require some sort of change. For example, you may be consuming content of somebody that gets to travel all the time and go to all these different countries that you desire to go to. And that goal might seem really far off for you. But start by taking the most basic step. So the most basic step would be to start saving money if you're not doing that already. And start with a small amount, and if you can save more, stack it up. And over time, you'll be able to have enough money to go on that trip. The thing about it is, sometimes when something seems so big, it's daunting and it makes people not even want to start. But the more you don't start, the longer it'll take to get to the finish line. Same thing with anything else. Maybe you want to start exercising again, but it seems daunting. Start small. Start with a short walk. Walk to the end of the block if that's all you can do. If that's too much, there's so many videos on YouTube. You can do a 5-minute workout video a couple days a week and gradually build your way up. Start small and let things stack up. The small but good decisions that we make daily will stack up over time. With that being said, thank you all for tuning into this video. I hope you all start making small changes that will lead to big growth over time and drastic changes in your overall life so that you can accomplish your dreams.